Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What I'm going to do today may be my last Valentine's project this year. So I wanted to make a t-shirt. I love to wear t-shirts for the different occasions. And you can either go in Cricut's Design Space and find your images, but I found one that I really like. Designbundles.net. I'm still addicted to that site. Like I said, I don't get any commission or I'm not affiliated with them. I just really like it. And you can get, they vary what you can download for free. Some days there's more than others. And then if you do have to purchase them, they have some that are very inexpensive. Some are on the pricey side, but most what I buy is always like no more than $3, and you can reuse it as much as you want. But a lot of them are like $1.50 to $2. So I'm just going to go to New Project, the circle with the plus, and that will put us on our canvas. Now, since I've already downloaded my images, all I need to do is just go to Images right here on the left-hand side of the screen, click on that, and then go to the right top corner where it says filter, click on that, and I just want uploaded, and I'm going to click on that, and this will give me all my images that I have uploaded from different places. And I want to do, I thought that would be really cute, but I think I got that, I'm pretty sure I got that from designbundles.net as well. But just go on there and browse and see what all you can find. But I wanted to do, I thought that would be cute too, and so would that. There's just so many, and even this little owl that I got off of Google. But anyway, I think that I'm going to do this one right here. I think it's just so sweet. It's a little porcupine holding a heart like cactus, and I think it's cute. I started to do this one, and I might do this one because it could represent my husband and myself. So I think I will do this one. I'll click on that, and that puts a green box around it. Then I'm just going to go to the right bottom corner, insert images. That will put it on our canvas. And I just picked up a shirt from Walmart, and I think it was like maybe $3 if it was that. It's Time and True. Now that's going to come in way too big, so I'm going to grab this arrow and make it much more manageable, okay? I think I normally do something like 6.5 or 6, maybe 5. Let's try 6 by 5. That will adjust it accordingly. Now let me make sure that that's the size, because that looks so small. But I think that is the size that I want, okay? Now if you look over here to the layers column, this is a cut then print. That's exactly what I want. So we'll just go to make it, right top corner. And I need to turn my Cricut on. And I'm going to be using the Silhouette Printable Heat Transfer for dark colored fabrics. I find that that works much better, and you can use it on light or white fabrics and it doesn't matter, okay? And I have my standard grip mat, so I'm just going to go to continue, right bottom corner. Now I just need to go load my printer with this Printable Heat Transfer sheet, and you want to load it. In mine, I have to load mine upside down so that it will print on the blank side. Then we're just going to send it to the printer. I'm going to click on that. We don't want to mirror anything because we're going to just be putting it down just like it is. So we're going to send it to the printer. I'm going to leave the bleed on, and I'm going to hit print. It will print it out on my printer, and then I'll bring it back over here, and we will cut it out. Okay, what I'm going to select is I have this already as a favor. It's Iron On, Printable Iron On Dark. Okay, but if you didn't have it, you just click on Browse All Materials here in green, and you type in Printable, and then you'll see Printable Iron On Dark or Light or Fabric or Printable clear printable sticker paper or printable vinyl, but I want the printable iron-on dark. So I'm going to select that. To make it a favorite, you click on this little star and see how by clicking on it, it took away the yellow. To make it a favorite, you click on it and it turns yellow, and then just click done at the right bottom corner. Okay, and then the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this cute little t-shirt. Okay, here is the t-shirt that I picked up at Walmart. It's just Time and True, and I picked up just a gray one. And it doesn't have the price, but it wasn't very much at all. And then here is my Printable Heat Transfer that is silhouette, and like I said, it's for dark colored fabrics. Right there it is. And I picked this up at Michael's, and you can use the silhouette. It gives you the instructions right on the back how to use it. It's very user friendly. I've used it before. And I have my standard grip mat, and here's our little picture. I think that's really sweet. And then this is what I was telling you about. You want to print it so that it comes out on this plain side. Don't print it on this side because the ink will not dry, okay? So we're just going to put this right down on here. Then we're going to put it right under these little lips here and hit the blinking arrow to load it, and then the blinking C to cut. It's that simple, okay? And now it will start cutting this out. Right now it's reading the registration marks, so it'll know exactly where to cut. And then it's going to cut. Now, it's going to be interesting cutting around all this little spikes that the porcupine has, but I think it's going to be cute. Okay, I think it's getting ready to cut, and there it goes, and it's cutting. So as soon as it gets finished, okay, it's through printing. I'm going to hit the blinking arrow to eject it. I'm going to take this off, and this also comes with these two, almost like butcher papers. You're going to need those, and then all we're going to do is just sort of crack this like this and pull this up off. Just kind of got to get it going. And then you're just going to be very delicate, because I have all this delicate little spikes. I'll take this and try to pull it up loose, because you got to get it going, and all these little spiky things. Just take your time. It will start to come up. It's really not a problem, as you can see. Hope you can see. We're just going to peel this off. I'm going to get right here to his feet. I'm going to gently use this to pick it up, to get it started. Okay, and here is our little image. I think it is so sweet, and it didn't have any problems getting around all these little porcupine areas. Okay, so I'll meet you in the kitchen, and we will put this down with my easy press, or you can use an iron. I'll be right back. Okay, here's what I was showing you in there earlier. On the inside of this silhouette printable heat transfer, and then, like I said, this is for the dark colors. It shows you on the back how to do it, but inside are your instructions. Okay, so I've set my easy press to 300 degrees for 30 seconds. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And here's your 2 pieces of parchment paper that comes. Now you're supposed to wash your garment first. I never do. And I haven't had any problems with it. Let me put this, and I always put like a butcher block down and then my easy press mat, and then I always put this on a butcher block, a smaller one with my easy press mat on that as well. Okay, so I have this right here. Now what I'm going to do is just iron this for a little bit to get the wrinkles out, and it also gets out any moisture. All right. And just try to, you can measure if you want. I typically always just eyeball it. Okay. Looks good to me. And I put it down, about 2 to 3 fingers. And I'm just going to put it on here and see if that's where I think I want it. I think this is going to be so cute. And you could really wear this t-shirt even when it wasn't Valentine's. That's what I wanted, a t-shirt that I could wear when it wasn't even Valentine's. But I think these are so adorably sweet, okay? So you put your design where you want it, or you know, as close to where you think you want it. Okay, and you want to apply it with the color side up. Then I'm going to get my 2 pieces of parchment, put it on there, lift this up, place it down, and hit the C. And it will start counting down. And then we'll have a really adorable shirt for Valentine's Day or just any day. And you don't have to push really hard. I'm just holding light pressure, basically just to hold it on here. Okay, let's pull it straight up and take a look at it. Let's make sure we think it's all adhered nicely. I think it is. I think I'm going to give it right here on this one little end a little extra push, and that should definitely give it. Okay, here it is. Who else is ready for Valentine's? I know I am. This is so adorable. I think it is just so sweet, and it's very easy. It's very soft. It's not scratchy. It'll smush together without any problems. I really like this technique, and like I said, you can either get your images from Cricut's Design Space, or you can get them from designbundles.com or from Google. There's so many places that you can get your images from. Now this does say to wash the garment inside out in cold water, and don't use fabric softener. And I haven't had any problems with mine. But I made my Santa shirt like this and everything, but I just wanted something really sweet for Valentine's, or like I said, so I could wear it anytime, not just Valentine's. So I'll see you on Tuesday for an Amazon haul. I found some really nice finds. I think you'll like them. They make great gifts for yourself or for someone else. And it's a really small little haul. And then Wednesday will be my planner, and I'll see you Friday for a Dollar Tree DIY. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.